Hi, my name is Keith Gamhanda and welcome to today's video. I'm going to give you 5 quick tips to make your laptop battery last longer. Let's begin. Lower your screen brightness. Your screen brightness contributes the most to your laptop's battery life. 2. Enable power saver mode when you are doing light tasks. 3. Close background resource-hungry apps like Chrome or Zoom if you're not using them. 4. Unplug any peripherals from your laptops that you're not using, such as cameras, hard drives, external keyboards, etc. 5. Keep your laptop cool and well ventilated. Use a cooling pad or any object to lift it above the ground and make sure the vents are not obstructed. So that's all for today, and I hope these tips will help you manage your laptop battery better. Also remember that these tips also work on other devices with batteries.